Hello viewers, in this video tutorial we're going to take the second part of this question number 11, the question number 11b. Remember in our previous lesson we did the one related to inverse of a matrix. So if you are sitting for WAEC, Neco, GCE, this a question that is peculiar to a question you're going to see. Now, without wasting time, let's go straight to solving the B part of this question. That says the first and the last term of an arithmetic progression AP are 5 and 89 respectively. If the sum of the AP is 611, find the number of terms in the AP and B common difference. So when giving this kind of question, all you need to do is to see how you can break down the question using the formula that is related to solving an arithmetic progression. That's exactly what we are going to do today. So the first thing that should come to your mind is to look for the sum of an arithmetic progression. Write out the parameters you are given. In this question, we are given that the first term of the arithmetic progression A is equal to what? 5. And we are told that the last term is equal to what? 89. And the sum of the arithmetic progression S is equal to 611. Now, notice that in this question, we are not given the number of them. We're asked to look for it, and we're not given the common difference because it's an arithmetic progression. Now, having gotten this parameter, the next thing that should come to your mind is to look for the formula for the sum of an arithmetic progression because we are given a sum already, and the two formulas should come to your mind. You should remember that the sum of an arithmetic progression is equal to n over 2 into bracket what? 2a plus n close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, d, all close bracket. Or the sum of an arithmetic progression can also be n over 2 into bracket the first time plus the what? The last term. So any of these two equations can be used to solve this formula. Any of these two formulas can be used to solve this question. Now, the first one we want to apply is the first question because we are given the first time, we have the first time. We don't know the common difference, right? So we can't use this because we have the number of them and the common difference, which are the two different parameters we are given. But we have the first term, we have the last term, we don't have the number of term, and we have the sum. So this equation is the best equation to use. So applying that equation, you'll come to see that the sum of the equation of the AP is equal to 116. The number of term is the term we are looking for, and then we'll have the first term to be what? 5 plus what? The last term is what? 80 what? 89. So when you add this, we're going to have our 116 to be equal to what? N over 2 close bracket. This plus this, 89 plus 5 will give us 90 what? 94. Good. Now, when we simplify this, we are going to have when we simplify that, we're going to have the value. If we simplify that, we are going to have our 116 to be equal to n times 94 over what? Over 2. So simply saying, we can cross multiply to have our n times 94 to be equal to 116 times what? Times 2. So that means our n will be equal to 116 times 2 divided by what? 90 what? 4. And if you do that, we're going to arrive at 116 times 2 will give us 1, 2, 2, 2 divided by what? 94. So if we do that, we're going to have 13 to be the number of them. So 1, 2, 2, 2 divided by 94 will give us 13. So we see we've gotten the number of them. The number of them is 13. The next thing we want to look for how we can arrive at the what? The common difference. Now, having gotten the number of them and the common difference, remember the last term of an arithmetic progression un is equal to the first term plus bracket n minus 1 then times the common what? The common difference. So we're going to use this. That's the last term of an arithmetic progression. We already have the last term to be equal to 89, we have the first term to be 5, plus we now know the number of term, which is equal to 13 minus 1, right? And then the next one, we don't know the what? The common difference. So we'll have 89 equal to 5 plus, this is 12 times what? The one good thing about mathematics is note the terms that we are not given and the terms that are given and seek for a formula within that range that you can use to solve that question. So simplifying this, we are going to have 89. When 5 comes this way, it's going to give you minus 5 equal to 12 what? 12d. So 89 minus 5 will give us 84. That will be equal to 12d. So we'll find out that our d will be equal to 84 divided by what? 12. So 84 divided by 12 will give us what? Will give us 7. So you see, our common difference is equal to 7 and our number of them is equal to what? 13. So our n is equal to 13 and our d is equal to what? 7. So you see, this is a solution to that question number B. And mind you, I told you last time, if you can be able to solve this first question and this final question, you have your 12 marks smiling at you as you go. 12 marks smiling. So you see, these are easy questions you can use to easily what? To easily grab your 12 marks and off you go as you solve this question. Thanks so much for watching. In our next edition, we are going to bring solve solution to question number 12. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that a subsequent edition of the solutions to these questions like this will be brought to you right on your phone. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.